Summer vacation season is here, but before you head to the beach, you need to prepare your home for your absence. In today's Ask Angie segment, we walk through a pre-vacation to-do list. Preparing for a vacation is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming to think about everything you need to do before leaving town, especially if you're planning on being away for a longer period of time. Mallory Meistisch, a home care expert at Angi, is here to walk us through how to prep our homes for vacation.
Securing your home should be at the top of your priority list when prepping to go away for vacation this summer. An unmanicured yard is a clear sign that no one is home, so do your landscaping, things like mowing your lawn, before you leave. It's also a great idea to leave a few indoor and outdoor lamps on, or to have them scheduled to turn on and off while you're away.
Ask one of your neighbors to pull your mail every few days and to keep an eye on your house. If you have a spare key, consider giving it to your neighbor so they can get inside if there are any issues. Now is also a great time to install a doorbell camera, or if you already have one, make sure it works.
Think about reducing your energy consumption before you leave for vacation. You can save up to 10% on your energy bill by just unplugging things like your television, computers, small appliances, and chargers, which use electricity just by being plugged in. You can also save energy by setting your thermostat between 80 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit before you leave for vacation.
Help your future self by cleaning your home before you leave for vacation. Toss out anything in your fridge or pantry that will spoil before you return. And clean your garbage disposal to prevent any unwanted smells. And right before you leave, take out your trash and recycling.
Before you leave, make one final walkthrough around your home. Close all the blinds and make sure your doors and windows are locked. If you have a doggy door, make sure that's closed and locked too. Finally, make sure you've taken out the trash and that you have set your thermostat to that 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit so that you're getting those energy savings while you're gone. And lastly, if you have one, make sure to arm or set your alarm system. And then all that's left to do is enjoy your vacation.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Well, tweet them using the hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.